Hi everyone, here we've got the DOOGEE N30 and let me share with you how to change system language on this device. So firstly, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom and tap on system. As you can see, on the second position we've got languages and input, so let's tap on it and enter the languages. And here we've got the list of previously added languages, so let's tap on add a language here, and all you have to do right now is simply find the language you would like to set and tap on it, and I've accidentally tap on this one. I didn't want to use it, so let me get back to the list and let me pick, for example, oh my god, that was a misclick, sorry. Let me pick French. Let's tap on it and whatever, just the region. As you can see, it immediately appears on the list, but we've got still English language as a main one. So in order to change it, we have to tap on the language we would like to set and hold it, and as you can see, I can move it, so let's drag it to the very first position. And as you can see, it immediately appears on the very first position, and thanks to this, the whole menu will be in the chosen language. Let me show it to you again. Let me get back to English. Let's tap on it, hold it, and drag it to the very first position. And the same situation, it immediately changes. So actually that's all. This is how to change system language in your DOOGEE N30. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.